Cue the spotlight on the runway of the world. Jet-setting style seekers, listen up. The latest in travel fashion is here, bringing stylish outfits for every occasion, from beach lounging to city exploring. In the world of fashion, adaptability is key. Enter the versatile travel dress. It's chic, it's comfortable, and it's as ready for a seaside stroll as it is for a candlelit dinner. Next, let's talk about the all-day sneaker. These marvels of footwear are not just for gym. They're sleek, stylish, and perfect for those long city walks. But what about those chilly destinations? Fear not, the packable puffer jacket has got you covered. Lightweight yet warm, they're the perfect blend of practical and fashionable. So, why should you care? Because fashion is not just about looking good, but feeling great. And when you're traveling, that's more important than ever. Remember, every journey is a fashion show, and the world is your runway. Strut your style and make every moment count. This is the era of travel fashion, where style meets comfort on every corner of the globe. So pack right, dress smart, and stay fabulous.